Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and we've got something extra special today. We've done one of these... There's a fly. We've done one of these before. It was a long time ago, and this is one of my favorite things to collect, but they're not cheap. And this one we got quite a while ago, and when it arrived the first time, it had broken, so we sent it back. They repaired it, and now it's here, and we're gonna look at this one together for the first time. Together. Yeah. Alright. Ready to see what we're doing? Alright, this is really heavy. Can't tell what it is from the box, but we're gonna find out right now. Okay, so this is going to take a minute to unbox, but I will explain it while I do it. So, this is one of those ride car replicas. So they replicate the cars in a smaller version. I need a knife. Oh, I'm cutting the box. Please hold. Okay. Whew. They replicate the ride car vehicles. And they're going to do 27 of these, and all of them are signed by Bob Gurr. Bob Gurr is one heck of an Imagineer for the Disney company. Did some things such as, every ride vehicle you've ever put your butt in. Those were his designs, from Autopia to, what was the last? We got Space Mountain last time. And I will show you at the end of this just a reminder of what that one looked like on the turntable. And we just ordered another one because they just released another one. But it takes a couple months to get them after they release. So, without further ado, let's tape more. With a little more ado. I think they're extra protecting it since the last one got hurt a little. Oops. Ready? Okay. This one is definitely packed better than the last one. Now, in here... Ooh, that was a horrible sound. Okay. Little more unpackaging. Normally I'd snap it out of here, but for this, I like the extra suspense. Just mute your TV for a second. Okay. Now, the biggest reason that we had them repair the first one they sent us instead of sending us a different one is because these are limited edition, and we want all of our collection to be the exact same number in the series. So the first one we got, I can't remember the number off the top of my head now.
42.
What is it?
42.
Number 42. Thank you, Mary. So our first one was number 42 of 500, I believe. And I told them I will continue to order them as long as I get every single number 42. I just want them to match. I'm just weird like that. So we had gotten the number 42. It was broken, and we talked it all out. We shipped it back to them. They paid for it, and they repaired it, and we're going to see what we got here. So this is from Magical Momentos. It's a company in Florida that also has escape rooms and all kinds of stuff. You can find them on Facebook. Ready? Okay. I know it's weird, but the wood box smells really good. Okay. Attention, please read prior to removing item from box. This item is not a toy. Please handle with care. Keep out of reach of children. Each item is handcrafted and will show slight variations. Unboxing instructions. Remove bubble wrap from top and 4 pink peanuts from the corners of the item. Remove white foam inserts surrounding them. Note, item cannot be removed from box without above steps. Attempting to do so will result in damage of item. Okay. Remove bubble wrap. Oh, I hope it's in good shape. So it says remove 4 pink packing peanuts, but I can only see 2. The other 2 had slipped down. Pink packing peanuts. Now the styrofoam insert. It looks good. Ready? One of my all-time favorite rides. Oh, they're so heavy. The People Mover. Look at this. It is so detailed. They have like the warning sticker instructions. I don't know if you can see that on there or not. So the issues that I had were that there were some bubbles under some of the silver area and they are completely gone. This thing looks perfect. Now again, these are handmade, so they're not going to be perfect, but this one looks really amazing. Even the flooring inside, the rubber floor that's in there, can you see the texture of that? Oh, and then, look at this. Signed by Bob Gurr, number 42 of 500. Now these are not cheap. Is it $600 or $700 bucks? $695, so $700 bucks. And if you want one of the first 10, I think it costs you another 100 or 2 to get in the first 10 off the line of them making these. They come in really nicely built boxes. But talk about a display item. Can you imagine, Fly? Can you imagine having the whole 27 different ride vehicles in a glass display case? Like, nothing says Disney more than this. The first one we got, so this is Disney World. The first one we got was Space Mountain, and it was the version of Space Mountain from Disneyland. It's the 2 wide seating. I will throw that up in the photo box so you can take a look at that one that we just got last time. Boop! There it is. The lap bars, I mean, they're even made to not be perfectly symmetrical because they don't, when they go up, they don't always go up to the same point. So, I mean, it looks really, really good. There's even the speakers by your head, like the grills are in there and stuff like that. These are everything to me. They're just so cool, and I cannot wait to have a big collection of these. So I'll give you a spoiler. The new one that we just purchased, it'll be probably a month or 2 before we see it, is the Doom Buggy. So look forward to seeing that. I love these. So I'll throw this one in the photo box so you can get a good look at it. Boop. And then I also, CJ did a little Photoshop for me when this first released and they showed the picture online. And I asked him to put a picture of me sitting inside the car, and I will show you that picture right here. Boop. I love it. It's just, I'm a big nerd, I can't help it. Alright, so, keep an eye out for these as we collect them, because, holy cow. Ugh, love it. Alright, I know it was a short video, but it's only one item, but it is one heck of an item. And you really can't tell that both of these bumpers had fallen off when it came originally and it had a couple bubbles in it. And I wish you could feel how heavy this thing is. This is not like 3D printed. I don't know how they do it, but oh my gosh, it's beautiful. All right. Good day. If you'd like to take a look at our last video, click the button right here, and if you haven't subscribed, it's right here. It's right here. All you gotta do is push the button. I hope you're having a great day.